JS Cleaning Service, your full property care team and janitorial service. Along with our commercial and residential cleaning, we do offer the Electrostatic technology sanitation treatment. Our hospital-grade botanical disinfectant kills 99.99% of all bacteria, fungus, and viruses, including human coronavirus, in 3 minutes or less. We safely enter your home or business, removing debris from all surfaces and touch points. Then we proceed with the electrostatic sanitizing. The sanitizing solution is non-toxic, non-corrosive, non-flammable, it's chlorine-free, and it's pet safe. Keeping everybody around you safe is our top priority, and introducing a weekly or even bi-weekly treatment, highly recommended. Especially in those public facilities like gyms, locker rooms, and of course restaurants. And no rinse is required even on food contact surfaces. Let your staff know that you're doing everything that you can to keep them safe, as well as giving that much needed peace of mind for your customers and guests. Starting at just $39.99 per treatment, we welcome you over here at JS Cleaning Service to give us a call.